Today I'm making okra soup and semo, and while cooking I was thinking about something. Sometimes we see fellow small content creators on our timeline, and instead of supporting them, we just scroll and pass. Even when we are also trying to grow, growth is already hard for upcoming creators. Sometimes small engagements can mean a lot. Seeing another small content creator on your page is a chance to support everyone on the same journey. It doesn't always have to be big. Just engaging, sharing, or watching their videos to the end. Little support can make a big difference for growing creators. We are all just trying to build something, and supporting each other doesn't reduce you. It helps everyone.